Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Facebook page to your Instagram account. So I'm currently here on Facebook with my Facebook page, which is this one, the Literarium. So just to make sure first, we need to make sure that we have full control over the Facebook page. So how do we find that out? We click on our profile here, go to the page name, the page of the profile of the page itself. Then you click on the triple dots down here, click on page status, then you scroll down and click on manage admins. You will see the people that have access to the page. So I am currently here, which I basically have access of mostly everything, just like the two other people that are with me in this one. So now that we're good with that, we can go over to Instagram, and then we make sure that our account is a business account. So how do we make sure of that? We go over to the triple lines here on the top right corner of your screen. Again, let's go back here to settings, go to creator tools and controls, and you make sure that your account is a professional account. And how to make sure of that is you have the add new professional account option down here, and you have the option to switch account type to either business or personal because you are a professional account. And now what we need to do is to go back to your profile, go to edit profile, scroll down until you find page, connect and create, then you just click on continue. Then we have to log into our Facebook account. Of course, this is already connected, so this shouldn't be much of a hassle. The anime reservoir, I'm gonna be connecting to that one that I have to resolve. So now we just have to wait. As you can see, it's now connected to my Facebook page. Now to make sure that it really is, as you can see, it's already connected to anime reservoir. What we have to do now is to go back to settings, go to creator tools and tools again, and then you go to cross posting over here. And then as you can see, if you want that your post here on your Instagram account is posted on your page as well, you have to enable these here so that your post will appear on your Facebook page, and it's that simple. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.